Hey guys, finally have another video for you after a month-long hiatus. Usually I post like these little short edits, but I haven't because I've been working on something that's behind me. I'm gonna talk about that later. But you know, I've been flying these things and I got plenty of air units. But some quads I have that I don't use all that often that don't have the air unit. They're just ready to accept one. So I got one. I got one more to show. These guys. So I don't fly these all that often, so I don't waste an air unit just sitting on my shelf. It's easily transferable, which is something that I like about the system. But this one I didn't buy. This one I got because I won a competition held by DJI on December last year. And I'm gonna show you the video that I won with. It's 1 minute long and it's mainly shot on GoPros, which you know, not really typical for a DJI competition, but the rules stated that I should be using the air unit, which I did, but I shot it on a GoPro because it looks much better. Anyway, enjoy guys, and I'll mention the thing. So I'm working on this last part of our build video about configuring the quad that we built, and the most important thing, which is the rates. But it's quite a long one, and I tried to like provide some nice locations as well. So it's gonna have shots from Italy, from 2 trips that I made, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy it because I spent over a month editing it. So hopefully it's gonna come soon and not another month in. Take care guys.